70 milliseconds is like a blink of an eye. With the vision system, we're looking at up to 70 milliseconds earlier airbag deployment decisions. But that can be the difference between a serious injury and walking away from an incident. We're combining the camera system and the accelerometers to do things that have never been done before.
We've been able to utilize a new capability of Tesla Vision supplementing our existing restraint system, and that's been able to get closer to that optimal restraints decision.
In a traditional system, the accelerometers are used to detect not only the beginning of the crash, but also try to quantify the severity of the crash, how serious it's going to be, and whether an airbag's required. With our new system, we're using vision to identify what type of impact it is, and then we can rely on the impact sensor to make the deployment happen as soon as possible. So the way the system works is we've got cameras around the vehicle. So if we had a car accident where two vehicles are coming towards each other, the camera in the Tesla is watching that vehicle and can identify exactly when contact's going to be made and how severe the crash will be. That information is then passed through to the airbag controller. By passing that information across, we can rely on the impact sensors here, and here on this vehicle. We're still using impact sensors to detect crashes. We're just supplementing our decisions by using information from the vision system. And 70 milliseconds is all it's going to take to get somebody right up in front of the airbag when we're trying to fill it.
This is obviously not something that we want to rush to market. We've been researching this over a number of years. We've ran thousands of simulations and we've run a number of physical tests, both full vehicle and occupant sled testing, in order to validate that this is going to provide a very real-world benefit. Airbags have a set time to fill. That's not a time that you can shortcut. So utilizing Tesla Vision to be able to gain additional milliseconds to make a faster decision to get the airbag out is really critical to the occupant outcome. So this is an example where we've been able to utilize Tesla Vision to deploy the airbags before the occupant gets too close to the steering wheel.
So this is going to roll out as a software update to existing vehicles. Tesla customers will wake up tomorrow morning, get a software update, and they'll have this new feature that makes their car significantly safer. This is something outside the bounds of the 5-star safety ratings.
Milliseconds matter.